I keep seeing these videos of this rapture stuff. What? There's like people, I'm watching videos where people are like rage quitting their jobs, by selling their cars. And I'm sitting here thinking like, wait, didn't, maybe it's like Matthew 26, maybe 26 or Matthew 24, didn't it say the angels not know the hour, neither the Son, only the Father knows the hour? Right? Did I not read that in the Bible? But so now a man in Africa has, he knows though. And then now we have people here that they know too. It's almost like they don't really read the Bible. They just kind of do what they want to do with it so that they look good. Power, love, and kindness.